Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. Let's first we opening colors. Brown color, brown color. Wow, so many colors. Kids, the next one is dark pink color, dark pink color. And now we open the color of light green color, light green color. Kids, the next one is orange color, orange color. And the next one is white color, white color. Stay with us. The next one is light pink color, light pink color. Sky blue color, so many colors. Sky blue color, yellow color, yellow color. Kids, the next one is silver color, silver color. Wow. The next one is dark green color. Wow, dark green color. And the next one is Persian blue color, Persian blue color. And the next one is black color, black color. Blue color, blue color. And the last one is, yes, red color, red colors. Wow, today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. So kids, today we draw and writing alphabets A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The next one is H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Kids, the next one is O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. And the next one is V, W, X, Y. And the last one is Z. So kids, first we're using the color of red. And now we're writing the alphabet of A. Stay with us. A. And the next one is B. C for cow. D for dog. E. And the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. G for God. The next one is H. H, I, J, K, L, M. And for nose and for nest. The next one is O. So kids, now we're using the color of dark green color. Dark green color. O. The next one is P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. And the last one is Z. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.